Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, I hope you are fine. So let's start. Friends, today we draw. So let's go. Wow, look at this. We're making ice cream. The cake on the white here. What else is Baby, I'm you are us, T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Know my ABCs. Next time, I'll just say with you. A-B-C-D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. No, I know my ABCs. Next time, I'll go there with friends. Let's color in ice cream. Color in cherry. Orange color. And yellow color. And green color. And blue color. And purple and white color. Red color. I think we need more. A-B-C-D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Farewell and like my video.
Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't broke the painting.